Evie. And I'm gonna hide the camera. So then it looks realistic. So I'm gonna hide the camera here. Like on the bag. I'm hiding it on this bag. Evie, she will not spot that. She will not spot. That was really good.
Spud! How nice. Spud! Come here. What? Spud. Come here.
Yeah?
Sit down, please.
Yeah?
What are you doing? Looking for a camera.
There's
no camera. I'm not pranking it. I need you to listen. So,
Okay.
you know, like your big Galaxy Panda squishy.
Yeah.
And why do you keep looking around? There's no camera. It's not a joke, right? Yeah.
What?
Your big, like squishy. I was squishing it, and then Evie was squishing the bottom, and I was squishing the top, and then the head fell off.
Why is it?
It's in the bin.
Sky, you know that's my favourite squishy. Not funny, you're buying me a new one. You're buying me a new one.
It wasn't my fault, it was Evie as well.
What?
You pulled the bottom of it.
Oh my god.
What are you doing? There's no cameras, but it's real. I'm not joking.
It's not even here.
What isn't here?
The squishies.
Because I threw it in the bin.
I could have
It broke.
at least kept its head.
Why would you want to keep its head? It's not there, there's no camera.
So it's real.
Yeah. Try and find the camera.
Is it a good one?
Yeah, I did it way good, didn't I, you?
Did you give up?
Look closely.
Hello.
Oh, that's such a good hiding place. Wait, did they even see anything?
I could have kept the head though if it fell off.
I don't actually know if they kept it. They saw anything.
She felt for it.